Now in this video we will discuss about the HIJING model. What is HIJING model? Basically HIJING stands for heavy ion jet interaction generator. Okay, it's a Monte Carlo event generator. Okay, and it's used for simulating high energy nuclear collisions. Okay, in particle physics, in high energy physics, or at LHC, whenever we are dealing with the fundamental particles and we are colliding that particles with very high energy approximately equals to speed of light, and that particles collide, and to discuss their event generator, basically it's a Monte Carlo generator, event generator. So HIJING is one of them. Okay, so it's basically a Monte Carlo event generator used for simulating high energy nuclear collisions, basically at LHC. Okay, it combines soft and hard processes to describe particle production in heavy ion collision. Heavy ion collision means PP collision, either lead-lead collision or xenon-xenon collision. So it combines both soft and hard processes to describe the particle production. Okay, in heavy ion collision. What are the key features of the HIJING model is the key features is basically first of all is the jet formation. The model accounts for the fragmentation of quarks and gluons into jets. Okay, and then the next thing is the HIJING incorporate soft processes that contributes to unveiling event in high energy physics. And what are those applications in our study? Basically, we are simulating of charged particles and how we have to use to simulate events in proton-proton collision. We simulate the events in proton-proton. Okay, let's assume we are simulating the events for the case of proton-proton, and we have to study the multiplicity, their pseudo-rapidity, and transverse momentum distribution. So this is how we are simulating our charged particle production for proton-proton collision. Okay, we are simulating using HIJING model, a Monte Carlo event generator. The next thing is the data comparison. Results from HIJING simulation after simulating are also compared with the experimental data from LHC. Okay, after comparing to validate model, okay, and enhance the understanding of particle production mechanism, we can understand. And what are the importance of this HIJING model is the HIJING model plays a crucial role in predicting the outcome and guiding experimental investigation in high energy physics. Okay, so we can predict the outcomes and guiding experimental investigation high energy physics by this HIJING model. So this is all about the HIJING model for our research. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us. We will upload more interesting videos for this lecture. Up till now, Allah Hafiz.